Good evening, Professor. So this is my personal timetable of this week. So last week I redesigning my coronavirus paper and working on editor's comment. Need already added some RSD values in a tabular form in supplementary informations. Apart from that, I completed my assignment, and last week I prepared the SARS-CoV-2 antibody and I teach to my juniors Runsang Dongmei and another junior, and we also prepared the PBS preparation solution. So this week I prepared today the cover letter to appeal to the editor for the considering as a resubmission, and I updated the draft paper as our professor guidance. Professor asked me to add some more references of our lab, and hopefully this week we'll be going to submit this paper. Tomorrow I will go to the Sejong branch immigration office to extend my visa, and apart from that I will be doing my assignment submission work also. And a professor asked me to check other biosensor coating process, so I will preparing the biosensor coating process. And for the another work I will going to start amyloid beta detection this week, continuing the support Lamy, and I installed the Dropbox setting and Dropbox, and I also made a new folder for the Lamy in our Dropbox. So this is our submitting paper, rejection and resubmission. So we already prepared the paper, so I'll be going to submit this week. And this is my another future plan for the ED detection by graphene EDC NHS. Well, real-time detection response time is very low, picomolar level detection and different concentration detection. So high sensitivity, high selectivity, miniaturized potential state development, and personalized AD management at POC. So I'm considering these journals for my paper, Science Advances, Advanced Functional Material, Bioscience of Bioelectronics. So another one is a PSA sensing, which we are going to start with the Dr. Sachin as per our Professor Kaitans. This is my future plan for the tau protein. Tau protein is also a amyloid beta biomarker, which is a Alzheimer biomarker. So with high sensitivity advantages, high selectivity, quantitative detection, label free, and regenerative with a low cost fabrication. This is our ultra sensitive and reusable graphene modified double IDC sensing chip for detection of SARS-CoV-2. Last week I prepared the PBS solution, and I teached my junior how to prepare the solution with the distilled water. And this is we move the prepared solution to original empty bottle, and this PBS concentration is 0.01 molar. So, and I also teach to my juniors how to prepare the SARS-CoV antibody. This is 1 microliter per m also. This is our sensing recipe, which paper we are working. So I'll be going to resubmit this paper again this week. This is abstract which we designed again, and as per editor's comment, with 150 to 200 limit of wording, and keyword also updated as per the editor comments. Editor comments is here, so they want us with a 300,000 word limit, 3 single figures in a schematic, and they also said that to include only 6 keywords. To rewrite the conclusion section, we already did the conclusion updation, and they asked to error bars in figure and relative standard deviation and coefficient variation. Already included that one in a tabular form supplementary, and we updated the English English updation in our manuscript, and I already did the heading and subheading of our manuscripts, and they asked me to delete the title of publication, the list of referee. I finished all the things. So they also said that to place our table and schemes where we want to get it published. So I already placed that one in main tag. So this is will be my new experiment I will going to start for DIDC chip annealing and drop casting with key GRO and EDC and HS. Another task is to with the using a DRO mixing drop casting GRO and EPTS and then EDC and HS. And another one is with the layer by layer fabrication with EPTS, then GRO and then EDC and HS. This is my personal achievements. I'll be like going to submit this my paper as a first author, and another one already published with this year. In fact, will be coming. This is already published. So this is my conference or seminar abstracts. That's all for this presentation, sir. Thank you, professor.